Hey guys, let me show you a couple different stitch markers. You got small, large, this shape. Basically, all you need is a way for, let's say that this is the size that I want my circle to be. So now that all the next, let's say 5 rounds are going to be the same amount of stitches, then I don't want to be counting 24 stitches. I don't want to be counting 24 5 times, and let's say I have to do 5 rows. So what you do is you stitch it right here so you kind of remember where the first one is. And then you do 20, you stitch up until you're here, and then you know you're at 24, and then you move the marker to the last one, and then you do it again, and you're not 24. These just help the repetitive counting. But another thing I like to do is, I don't usually have these handy, so I just grab the leftover yarn that we leave at the beginning. And right before I start my next one, I'll put it through the last hook and just pull it through. You can pull it out later. Either you leave it like a loop or just pull it all the way through. And then you continue, you continue your stitches all around. And then by the time you get here, you know that's where you started. In fact, these are this is like the best marker. So you just continue and then you continue and you know that's your starting point.